Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Advanced LangGraph, Orchestrating Complex AI Agent Workflows with Precision. Imagine you're building a super smart AI assistant, not just one that answers a single question, but one that can think through a problem, do research, make decisions, and then give you a sophisticated answer. That's where LangGraph comes in. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, making sure all your different AI musicians, agents, play their parts at the right time, in the right order, to create a beautiful symphony of intelligence. We'll learn how it helps developers build truly complex and smart AI applications. Before we dive into LangGraph, let's quickly understand what an AI agent is. Think of an AI agent as a smart program that has a specific goal and can take actions to achieve it. It's like a tiny robot chef. It knows its goal: make dinner. It has tools, ingredients, oven, and it can decide what steps to take. Chop vegetables, preheat oven. In the world of AI, these actions could be searching the web, running code, or talking to another AI. Simple agents do one thing, but complex problems need more. A single AI agent is great for a simple task, like answering, "What's the capital of France?" Single quote. But what if you ask it to plan a surprise birthday party for my friend, including venue, guest list, and menu? A single agent might struggle. It can't easily break down the problem, handle different parts, or correct mistakes along the way. It's like having a chef who only knows how to make one dish, not very useful for a whole party. We need a way to chain these agents together, make them talk to each other, and adapt to new information. This is where LangGraph shines. Think of LangGraph as a super-powered flowchart builder for your AI agents. Instead of just a single agent doing one thing, LangGraph lets you design a sequence of actions and decisions. It's like drawing a map for your AI. First, do this. If the result is X, then do that. If it's Y, do something else. This allows your AI system to handle complex tasks by breaking them into smaller, manageable steps, making decisions based on outcomes, and even looping back to try again if needed. It's about giving your AI a structured way to think and act. As a developer, you'll work with three main ideas in LangGraph. 1. Nodes. These are your AI agents or tools. Think of them as individual steps in your flowchart. Research topic. Summarize text. Check. Facts. Each node performs a specific job. 2. Edges. These are the arrows connecting your nodes. They dictate the flow. An edge tells your system, after node A finishes, go to node B. You can even have conditional edges. If node A's result is success, go to node B. Otherwise, go to node C. 3. State. This is like a shared notepad that all your agents can read from and write to. It holds all the information gathered so far, allowing different agents to communicate and build upon each other's work. It's how the system remembers what's happened and what needs to happen next. Let's imagine we want an AI that can answer complex questions by researching online. Node 1. Initial question. Takes your question. Node 2. Web search agent. Uses a search engine to find relevant articles. Node 3. Summarizer agent. Reads the articles and summarizes the key points. Node 4. Fact checker agent. Verifies the summary against other sources. Conditional edge. If facts are verified, go to final answer. If not, go back to web search agent with a refined query. State. Holds the original question, search results, summary, and verification status. This simple example shows how LangGraph orchestrates multiple steps and decisions to achieve a robust outcome. LangGraph isn't just about simple A then B then C. It allows for truly advanced orchestration and precision. This means conditional routing. Your AI can dynamically choose the next step based on the asterisk outcome of the current step. If the user wants more detail, go to the deep dive agent. Otherwise, provide a brief answer. Loops. Your AI can repeatedly perform a task until a condition is met. Keep searching for relevant information until we have at least 3 verified sources. Human in the loop. You can even design workflows where an AI pauses and asks a human for input or approval before proceeding. This level of control makes your AI applications incredibly powerful and reliable. For developers, LangGraph is a powerful tool because it provides a clear, structured, and programmatic way to build complex AI behaviors. Clarity. You can visually map out your AI's thought process. Debugging. Easier to find and fix problems in a structured workflow. Scalability. Build more complex features without your code becoming a tangled mess. Reliability. Your AI can recover from errors or adapt to new information by following predefined conditional paths. It empowers you to move beyond basic AI prompts and create sophisticated, intelligent systems that can tackle real-world challenges with precision. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.